What's going on, guys? We are in the shop today with our SDHQ built Ram 2500 to introduce a new product. There's been a problem going around that we've been getting a lot of comments about. Now that guys are starting to lift and off-road their new Ram 2500s and 3500s, you're noticing how exposed the intercooler is. The problem with the stock intercooler is that it hangs down very low and all that's protecting it is a plastic valance. So there's our problem. Let's introduce the problem solver. What we have here is our 19 to current Ram 2500 and 3500 SDHQ built intercooler skid plate system. There's a lot of components here, so we brought Garrett, one of our engineers, out into the shop to go over it. Garrett, let's start here with our skid plate. Tell me what we got.
So for our main skid plate here, we've got 3/16 aluminum that's water jet in-house with our CNC water jet.
And Garrett, what are these little ears over here?
So on the side, we've actually got provisions set up for rock light mounts, whether you've got Baja Designs, you've got Dune Gear Halos, or even Dune Gear Minis. All three of them will fit here on the side of these skid plates.
That's awesome.
Yep.
Now tell me about this big pile of hardware that we've got in front of me.
So in front of us, we've actually got some billet body washers that are made here in-house with our CNC machines. We've got tons of stainless countersunk hardware to go along with it, as well as some upgraded grade 8 5/8 hardware to replace the factory hardware when mounting up our next item here, our subframe.
Beautiful. Now that is a big boy. Tell me about this subframe system.
So with our subframe system, everything on here is going to be 3/16 just like our main skid plate. We've even gone as far as to upgrade from the industry standard of 120 wall chromoly to 188 wall chromoly, as seen here. A lot beefier, a lot chunkier, as well as providing support for our skid plate. That upgrade has provided enough strength in our subframe to be able to act as a main jack point for your vehicle in the front.
Nice. So I can rest my whole vehicle on that subframe. That's how strong it is?
Say you're out off-roading, you get stuck, maybe you need to change a tire in the front, feel free to pull off your Pro Eagle jack or something like that, stick it right under the vehicle and you can jack right off the subframe.
Awesome. So if it can hold your vehicle, it can definitely stand up to your rocks, your trees, and debris that might hit your intercooler.
Yep.
If you guys have any questions, reach out to us at help@sdhqoffroad.com. Like always, we appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Later.